this video, we about to do a mini adventure in Vietnam. What is this? Let's see if it's real. See if this shit's real. Come on. 100% real. Now that I came here, I realized that like, yo, America never taught us the aftermath after they won the war. Dude, oh my God, look at this. Bro, this looks so weird. What is good to the YouTube family? Today, I'm gonna try to do as much as I can because today is gonna be my final last day in Ho Chi Minh, because to be honest, it really isn't for me. So I'm leaving tomorrow around 2 o'clock p.m. So I'm gonna try to get as much done as possible today. I wanna go on a whole mini adventure for a few hours and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So make sure to follow all my social media, Instagram, all my TikTok. Go to the description if you guys wanna learn how to make this money and travel the world. And don't forget to subscribe. And we're right here by a damn tattoo shop. Let's get it. Let's see what we get into. Okay, so it looks like Vietnam got some drip over here at Joe's thrift shop. They got all the vintage tees. Shout out to Dogecoin. You already know we crypto investors. Show them some love over here if you're trying to get some drip. Look at that, vintage tees right here. I love it because as a traveler, one thing that I do, I always tell you guys, I like to get a whole bunch of like shirts and hats. And yo, I'm wearing a Thailand tuk-tuk shirt with a Cambodian hat. Come on, I'm like a true tourist. I'm like literally the best target for these people. They're like, oh, this guy's a freaking traveler. First order of business, we need to get some damn food. It is, whoa, okay. That literally, everything happens for a reason. And literally when I'm walking by and I'm hungry, some pork cutlets with some steamed rice, 50,000 dong. That is literally $2. Let's go get something to eat. Okay, look at the damn table. Yo, this is actually pretty cool with a nice view. All right, so we decided to get the roasted pork. It's only 50,000 dong, and that's literally $2, dirt cheap. And this is a nice little restaurant with a nice view. I'll take it for $2. Thank you. Okay, it just looks honestly, you know me, I keep it real, it look kind of small. This is the plate right here. Let's see if it actually tastes good. Let's give it a real rating. You know me, we keep it real over here. Give me some chopsticks. Let's see. I like sticky rice. It's just right there. Oh, I got a little spice to it. See how this tastes, come on. Yeah, that's good. That's really tender. I'm not gonna lie. This is actually really good. The pork is so tender. 100% worth $2, 100%. All right, so we just finished up that food. 1,000% worth it, 1,000% worth it. Now, we're going to our next little adventure. We gotta book our Grab. And just to show y'all, I'm about to pay 14,000 dong to get to our next destination. Let's get to it. Xin chào. Shout out to the Grab, bro. Did you? Xin chào, let's get it. Now, how crazy is this? This bus literally backed up mid-traffic. Oh my God! If you didn't have anxiety, yeah, you're gonna have anxiety driving out here. It is crazy. Literally on this back of this Grab, I just feel so in culture. I feel like, yes, I feel like I'm part of them. I'm Vietnam today. Oh, what the? Brody, what the? What the heck? At least we arrived. I just made it over to the War Museum. I don't know what the hell it's called, but I think this is the entrance area. And we're about to go see the War Museum. This time that we came, it is literally jam-packed in here. We got our ticket. Xin chào, xin chào. Yeah. Xin chào. What? Let's go. Wow. Literally, look how many damn people are in. Jeez. Well, we definitely gonna be taking some good ass pictures over here. But jeez. Wow. We gotta touch it. Hey yo. What is this? Let's see if it's real. See if this shit's real. Come on. 100% real. 100%. Yeah, this is crazy. They literally have like 7 planes. What the heck? Air Force planes. Are these all US airplanes? Where's the Vietnam ones? Wow. This is cool as hell. What? Yo, this is crazy. And look, I'm gonna give you guys, let me show you something because I am a true solo traveler. This is one thing that every solo traveler needs. Let me pull it out real quick. That's what you call a damn tripod because nobody ever wants to take pictures, and then when they do take pictures, it's honestly terrible. So I'd rather take my own damn pictures, plop it up, and I get my own shot. Look at this one right here. They got the actual chopper. Yeah, we need to take a picture with this. Like I said, behind the scenes, you need it. But just know, if you're gonna do this, just get ready for the stairs because I love it. Now let's enter the actual museum and let's see what it was. Oh, I forgot to even tell you. Bro, it's like 40,000 dong, so that's like $1.80. It's like super, super cheap to get here, so it's worth coming. This place is huge. And as you can see, I literally came and it is damn packed. So it's obviously worth it. If a lot of people is here, it's honestly worth it. As I told you guys before, I'm not really big into museums because, yeah, I don't like sitting here like that. You see, I can't do that. Like to sit here and physically read everything. Yeah, it's really not for me, but I'm doing it for you guys. It's super, super cheap to do it, so why not? Like I say, you can at least get an experience on YouTube if you're not gonna come here. But it is worth $1, $2. It is worth it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I literally seen this wall and I was like, yo, let me take a picture. I would literally set up my tripod. Wait a minute. Children's are not for burning. Stop the bombing. Okay. We're not gonna take a picture next to this because I don't want the wrong thing, but yeah, that's honestly crazy. And the thing is too, as an American person that comes to Vietnam, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff that has to do with like Americans invading or, you know, fighting the Vietnam. So just make sure you're not sensitive because yeah, they're gonna be talking a lot about it. I really wish I could take one of these damn hats, but yeah, I just don't have no room in my damn bag and I do not wanna pay extra than what I'm doing right now. So yeah, we're gonna have to leave it. I'm gonna do a lot of B-roll for this because like I told you, I'm not really big of a museum type of guy, but this place got 3 floors. What the hell, I'm going to my 3rd floor now. All right, after I put the camera down, I really tried to get out of my comfort zone and sit there for a few minutes and read the paper. I'm gonna be real with y'all. Now I realize why the Vietnamese have so many problems with the US. Because now that I came here, I realized that, like, yo, America never taught us the aftermath after they won the war. I am so grateful because when I was in high school, I went to aviation high school. I was gonna join the military. And now that I didn't join the military, I feel so blessed I didn't, because in war, there's always a winner and a loser. If you win, it's good. But the people that lose, yeah, they gotta go through a lot. They got a lot of stuff going on here, man. So I wanna just give a whole bunch of praise to Vietnamese people. Sorry that America did all this. Even the French invaded these people, everything. Like, Vietnamese people went through a lot, man. And honestly, me reading these papers, man, this page just gets you very depressed, very sad about what these people went through, man. It's really, really sad. We just finished up the War Museum, and now we gotta go to another spot over here in Vietnam, and this one is really special. Really going the wrong way. I love it. Only in Vietnam. I just made it over to the famous cafe apartments. Literally, as you can see, every little box has a different, like, cafe, restaurant. So we're about to go over there, and I want to go get some Vietnamese coffee. I think it's like coconut coffee or egg coffee. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna get it right over here. Let's go. Yeah, we're walking up the damn stairs. The elevator doesn't work. Oh, of course. It's a 21 Vietnamese cafe. I'm gonna try their coffee out. Look at this view. Look at this view from their balcony. Beautiful. I'm sorry.
Hello, welcome to Vietnam.
Thank you. I heard I want like the famous, I think it's the egg coffee.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that. I don't know what it is, but I want to try that one. Can I try that? Thank you. Yeah, tell you, we're gonna get that egg coffee. I don't know how it tastes. It's famous out here in Vietnam, and we're gonna try it out.
Our signature.
That's your signature? Is it good? Have you tried it before?
I'm not have a chance to try this.
Oh, come on.
Oh. Our customer, once they come here, they always call this.
Get this one?
Yes.
I'm excited. Oh, thank you. Oh my God, look at this. Bro, this looks so weird, bro. Oh wait, let me take a couple pictures real quick. I don't know why I'm so damn nervous, but look, I'm gonna try to get a good angle for y'all. I don't care if y'all can see me. I want you to see this coffee, not me. Oh, what? Yo, this is so like glunky. Wait. Y'all gotta see this up close. Yo, what is this? What is this? Wish me luck, man. What the hell am I getting myself into? Oh my God. Wish me luck. I don't know why the egg is throwing me off. Okay, let's try. I'm open-minded right now. I swear on my mama, I'm not doing it for the views. I'ma keep it 1,000 with you. What the fuck? Bro, I don't know how this tastes good. What? She was not lying. What the hell? I am so confused. I'm not even exaggerating. This is a good 9 out of 10. This is like a good 9.5 out of 10. Like, I would physically drink this damn coffee every day. Like, I'm not even over exaggerating. Like, now it's not like. Have to try it. I'm telling you right now, try this shit. This place is amazing. Guys, I swear, y'all don't understand how confused I am about this damn coffee because it's so damn good. And now we get a show? Oh, it's lit. Definitely come here. Oh, okay, the lady just told me this right here is 60,000 dong, so it comes out to like $2.10. Stupid cheap. It's an experience. I swear, I'm not even over exaggerating. This shit is fire. All I can say is this coffee is 100% a vibe. Oh my God, I'm not even over exaggerating it. Wow. And just to show ya, 100% worth it. Oh my God. What I wanted to do, right? I wanted to go to the top floor. Right now I'm on the top of the floor of the, oh my God. What? Look at this. Oh, this is beautiful, guys. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my God. Oh, I love Vietnam. Honestly, Ho Chi Minh wasn't the greatest for me, but honestly, I said it a million times, I'd rather live in Vietnam than ever go back to the United States. Oh, it's so worth it. All right, these people are super nice. I just asked them if I could do a little video on the balcony because I'm not gonna buy anything. So we're gonna shout them out. Good days on the 9th floor. Go show them some support. They're really, really nice. And let me do a video because I wanna show you this, guys. Oh my God. This place is beautiful. Good days, right? Good days? Yeah, show them some love, guys. Oh my God, look how beautiful this is. Oh, we are on the 9th floor. What? Come on, guys. Come on. You can't tell me this is not worth coming to. Make sure you come to the cafe apartments and go show good days on the 9th floor. Show them some love. They allowed me to do this video and just look at this. Oh my God, this is super, super nice actually. Perfect for pictures. I'm about to take a picture right here. Give me a second. Yo, look at this. Yo, they show so much love. Make sure you go follow them, man. Super, super nice people. Fire pics. Right here next to the cafe is a big arch of look like a ongoing dragon. I don't know, but this looks cool as hell. What the heck? Okay, I was right. It's a big ass dragon. What the heck? Look how beautiful this is. There's so many damn people too. Watch, we're gonna put up our tripod and I'm gonna take a picture right here. And if you guys are over here in Vietnam, we just got our clothes clean. What is the name of the store? The name? The name?
Name?
Yeah.
Minh.
Minh?
Yeah.
Go show Minh some love. He just cleaned my clothes and it smells amazing. I'm gonna give you a shout out on YouTube, okay? So people come. Look, I'm gonna show you. Capon. Literally, guys, this is where you wanna get your clothes done. I swear, my clothes smell amazing. And this wouldn't be a good video if we didn't get a banh mi right here. Look, show them some love right here. It's 20,000 dong right here on Bun Vinh Ave. I love these things. These things are amazing. It is so amazing, these damn things. Look, they got egg ones, they got chicken, they got all the ones that you need. Oh, it's amazing. Capone, thank you so much. Thank you, guys. And this is gonna wrap up the video. Make sure you guys follow all the social media. Make sure to go to the description if you wanna make this money. And don't forget to subscribe to the damn channel. And you know what? Let me give you a real in-depth taste test real quick. All right, let's see how this tastes. Definitely try this when you come out here. Subscribe. See you guys in the next one.